Good morning. So today is Tuesday, but I don't have work today because it's a holiday. I don't really have any plans, but what I want to do is I want to be productive. I want to edit some videos, I want to prepare some private lessons, just organize my life. So I don't know what's going to happen, but yeah. Okay, so this is the look for today. I'm wearing my winter corduroy jacket. This shirt is from GU. I got Uniqlo Heat Tech. And for the pants, I also have GU. I love this jeans because it's very comfortable. And I'm also wearing Heat Tech underneath. So, ayun. Very simple lang tayo today. And I'm excited to try this new cafe in Sakae. So, before I go, I just really want to share with you guys what I usually bring kapag lumalabas ako. I have this ultimate backpack. Ultimate backpack because I use this every day. Sa work, sa like days like this where I need to go out. This is from Uniqlo and I really love this one because it's so durable. I bring a lot of things, makikita nyo mamaya, but kaya niyang dalhin lahat without breaking. Ayan, so super tibay niya. So I really love this one. So what I usually bring is of course my laptop. So it has a laptop compartment as well. So lalagyan mo lang dun. And then I bring my mouse and my mouse pad. Sa planning, I need my notebook. I need my Bible. Kasi I need to be directed talaga. And of course, I have my pencil case. Hindi rin mawawala yung water bottle. And then sa right side, I have my umbrella. I'm gonna also bring a power bank. I will bring my medicine bag, my pouch, because it's allergy season. So ayun, I have really bad pollen allergies. I also have my eyeglass case. So ito, aesthetic lang to, wala siyang grado. Malinaw pa yung mata ko. I have my card holder. So ito yung, dito ko nilalagay lahat ng cards ko. And then I will bring some of this Cairo patches. Ito yung warmers. So, I don't usually use this kasi hindi naman ako masyadong lamigin kapag naka-jacket na and everything. Pero, dahil isang jacket yung suit ko ngayon, so sakasakaling lalamigin ako mamaya, then it will be easier. Then, I have my handy-dandy gadget / cord holder. This one I got from Daiso only, so it's very cheap. It's not 100 yen though. Siguro, I think 300 yen. Just gonna roll it like this. Parang lumpia. And then here, there's a Velcro here. I almost forgot this one. My DJI pouch. I'm also gonna bring some gloves because I'm gonna bike today. Normally, okay lang ako kahit walang gloves kasi like what I've said, hindi naman ako masyadong lamigin. But, pag nagbabike ako, ang lakas yung tama ng hangin, so I need to wear it sometimes kasi medyo malamig talaga. So, I think, pag pinagsama-sama mo lahat, siguro nasa 5 to 7 kilos ata ito. Kasi, I have books, I have notebooks, laptop, and everything. So, mabigat talaga siya. But this bag is really good kasi, wala, ang tibay niya. By the way, this keychain, my student made for me. It's Spider-Man. Nakikita rin Spider-Man. Ayan. My student gave it to me because he knows I love Spider-Man. So, yeah. Let's go and seize the day. Bye. Hey everyone, so today is Valentine's Day, February 14th. No special plans today. I'm just gonna have dinner with my friends because they're coming here to get the my old desk. So yeah, I gave it away. So yeah, nothing special, but I'm gonna be third wheeling today kasi couple sila. Okay, so I'm walking to Ministop right now kasi naligaw sila. Naligaw yung friends ko. Sinong naligaw? Sinong naligaw? Thank you.
Wait lang. Ay bro, may ka sa onigiri.
Sige lang,
Try mo yung, try mo yung, anong onigiri yung gusto mo? Kumakain ka ng ume.
Camera. Yung mirrorless camera mismo.
Yun kasi, mawawala na yung lasa.
So ano?
Bubula siya.
Kampai! Eh, Oscar Sanades, happy.
Chinese.
Seryoso? Ano sinasabi mo 3 seconds that's like?
Shio yan. Shio. Ito yung tara.
Sarap kasi yan sa show.
Sarap no? Tawang-tawa siya eh.
Si Jessa tawag
Si
sa
Jessa.
ako na yung ginagay.
Tapos sabi,
Tumutulo, okay lang. Ito sa sugar, wala na.
may para kumain.
Ito pwede uminom kasi.
Ang naging ang puso ko for this Valentine's.
Kaya nga ano. Sabi ko parang plain.
Yung smooth? Gusto ko na yun. May pagbibigyan lang. Pierre Marcolini. So Pierre Marcolini is what? A famous chocolatier?
Hindi ka na ikaw.
Konnichiwa. So, yeah. As you can see, I have this new hair. I didn't perm my hair. I just set it like this. I hope it stays this way. Anyway, so I'm on my way to my private lesson. And then after that, I was planning to go to the city again to just check other cafes. But I don't know. I'm gonna go there tomorrow as well. So I might just skip that today. Good morning. So today is Sunday again. So I'm gonna go to church Today I'm early because we're gonna have practice before worship. So yeah, I'll see you there. Bye. I was truly blessed today, not only because I got to help in worship, but also because I experienced God's help once again. Worship isn't my main ministry, and it's definitely something new for me. But I've always desired to be part of it, partly because King David inspired me. He was a great leader and an amazing worshiper, and also because I genuinely loved singing worship songs in my private time. I was also deeply blessed by today's message. It reminded me to return to my first love, God. The message challenged me to rekindle that first love and restore the excitement and passion in my relationship with God. Definitely a Sunday packed with many learnings and blessings. Lars! Go again! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Masaya naman ito. Buti na lang may handaan today. Kasi next week wala ako.
Alam mo kanina, Richard, usapan namin. Sabi, invite pa ba si Richard? Wag na, alam mo na, automatic na yun.
Sabi ko kaya hindi naman invite kasi pumunta yun.
Kaya ganyan sila. Ito yung mga taga-church mo talaga.
Ito yung mga nagmamahal talaga sa akin.
Hindi natin alam, minsan yung taong nangangailangan, hindi naman uutang agad. Gusto lang ng kausap. Mga ganun lang, di ba? So, parang kung nandiyan ka lang para sa tao na yun, I think, hindi mo alam na nabibless mo na din siya.
Okay.
baby pa chiga.
Eh, ito nga oh.
Ay, first time mo ba yun?
Yeah.
Hindi siya lang hindi ako naka-experience.